What is an echo program?
An echo program is one of the simplest programs you can create in any coding language. It reads some input from the user and immediately prints or echoes that exact input back to the screen. This straightforward task introduces the basic concept of input and output, commonly called I/O, and forms the foundation for learning how programs interact with users.
How does input and output work?
Input and output, or I/O, allow programs to interact with the outside world. Input refers to data provided by the user, such as typing on a keyboard. Output is what the program displays, like text on the screen. In an echo program, these two steps are connected. What you type as input is instantly returned as output.
The typical structure of an echo program.
Most echo programs follow a simple pattern: prompt, read, then print. First, the program asks the user for some input. Next, it reads or receives what the user types. Finally, it sends that exact information back out and displays it. This basic sequence helps new programmers practice core concepts with minimal confusion.
Why echo programs matter in learning?
Echo programs are a crucial learning tool because they demonstrate the power of interaction. New programmers see instantly how their input affects the output. This hands-on feedback helps reinforce understanding of variables, console input methods, and how a computer talks with its user, providing a solid base for tackling more complex programs.
Echo programs, in different coding languages.
No matter the programming language, echo programs look remarkably similar. Whether you use Python, Java, C++, or many others, the logic remains unchanged. Get input, then output the same thing. This universality makes echo programs a perfect first step for anyone wanting to understand input and output operations, regardless of the language chosen.